Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to iron your suit. First, let's gather our essential tools. You will need a sturdy ironing board, a good quality steam iron, and a pressing cloth to protect your suit fabric. Always check your suit's care label to determine the correct heat setting. For most wool or synthetic blends, a cool to medium temperature is ideal. Remember to fill your iron with distilled water for optimal steam and to prevent mineral buildup. Now, let's tackle the jacket's main body. Lay the jacket flat with the back facing up, smoothing out any large wrinkles. Place your pressing cloth over the fabric before applying the iron. Use a gentle pressing motion, lifting and moving the iron rather than gliding it, to avoid creating a sheen. Pay special attention to the front and back panels, carefully working around any pockets and avoiding direct pressure on shoulder pads. Next, we move to the sleeves, lapels, and collar. For the sleeves, lay one flat, carefully aligning the seams. A sleeve board or a rolled towel inside can help maintain their shape and prevent unwanted creases. Gently press the lapels, aiming for a smooth, natural roll rather than a sharp fold. Finally, press the collar, starting from the outer edges and moving inward, ensuring a crisp finish. Finally, let's perfect the trousers. Lay one trouser leg flat on the board, carefully aligning the inner and outer seams to create a sharp crease. Press the leg from the top, near the waist, all the way down to the hem, using your pressing cloth. Repeat this for the other leg, ensuring both creases are symmetrical. Once complete, immediately hang your suit on a proper hanger to maintain its pristine, wrinkle-free appearance.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.